Hi there, this is Nim from CloudTax, and I'm going to be quickly showing you how to navigate our tax application. So if you're trying to submit your taxes before the deadline, and I know it could be very stressful, so just wanted to just jump in a quick video and show you how to file your taxes very simple in a way in CloudTax. So first of all, when you register your account, you would have arrived at the My Profile section where you could select your marital status. If you have a dependent, you could enter that information and choose the right province. Once that is done, then you could click on the next button. Then you will basically save that data and then come to the personal information page. This is our first page of tax application where you could have your basic information, straightforward. Net file access code is not mandatory, and especially if you're filing for the first year, you wouldn't have this number. So you could just skip that step and then go to the mailing address. And here you will be able to select the Canadian resident. This would be applicable for most of the people, and if you're an immigrant and came to Canada in 2024, then you will select here this information, and we will ask you to input the date of entry and all the other information on the second page. So once that is done, then you could basically click on the next button, and it will basically go to the next page right here. You could also use this left navigation to move around. And if you want to use this one on the top, you could do that as well. You will be able to click on the numbers and then it will basically move according to where you click on it. And you could also click on the search icon right here and then search for any slip that you want to search for or any pages that you want to go to. For example, if you want to take a look at your PDF, you could simply click on here. It will take you to the PDF page, which is on the review section. So it's not, it's pretty easy for you to navigate around between the pages. So if you're going to come back from there to personal information page, you simply have to click on there. Now, we're going to go to the My Forms. You could do the CRA autofill right here. Since I already done it, you basically see this information there. But you could go ahead and connect to CRA's My Account and then download it. It's not mandatory. By doing this, you will be able to simply download the slip faster. If not, you can use our drop your slip features to drag and drop some of the slips. It may not be 100% accurate, so you may want to double check all your entries. And if it doesn't work for some reason, some formats, please do enter it manually, as we don't send this PDFs or images that you upload here to CRA. So please go ahead and type it in. And also you can navigate again through the left navigation here between these slips. If you want to add another T4, for example, you would do it here. If you want to jump to another, like for example, another deduction, like say donation, you would then basically type donation right here, and it will basically go to the donation page, and you could enter the information there. So if you don't want something, for example, let's go ahead and delete the donation page. So I'm here in the medical expense page. I'm going to click on the icon right here, the delete icon. Once I confirm it, that basically would get deleted from the return. So now we don't have the donation that we reported, and I'm going to click on next button, for example, next again, and then I'm in the My Form section, and then I'll see here the donation page that I was doing. It's actually gone from this particular return, and I don't have to I'm not reporting any information. So and then also if you see it here, it's the refund initially was around $6,000. Now we went back to $2,000. So that means that got removed from my return. And once everything is done, you can go through the error check, take a look at the PDF over here. You could also click on the review page to take a look at the numbers in detail. And then once everything's done, you could click on the submit page. But before you do that, if you're a joint return, for example, in this case, I have joined the return, my spouse return and mine. And then you would basically click on, for example, the spouse return, and then go and enter the information for your spouse before you submit any return. So you complete that same step that you have gone through. And then once it's done, then you could switch back and then you could submit the, whichever return that you want to submit first. All right, so that's pretty much it. And again, please feel, if you want to add another profile, click on the dashboard. You will be able to create a new profile. And if you want to create a previous year tax return, then you will basically click on there to click it to create it. If not, then you could click on the continue button to go forward with the current year. That's pretty much it, and have a happy tax filing. Thank you.